Hello, this is Bhavik, and I'm going to solve the second question. Here we have a 4 by 4 grid with 16 tokens. Two players, Lata and Raj, are going to alternatively take turns removing these tokens. They can either remove one or more adjacent tokens in a single row or a column in each of their turns. And the person who makes the last move wins the game. So instead of taking a forward approach, analyzing what moves Lata can make and what moves Raj can make after that, and so on, we can do a backward analysis. So let's say So we want to come up with a winning strategy for Raj. Okay, let's say I'm Raj and this is the token I'm left with. All other tokens have been removed and I'm left with a single token. Then obviously I would win. I can just remove this and win. And let's say I have two tokens, then like this, which are not connected. Then I can only remove either this or this. I can't remove both of them at the same time. So if I remove this, the other person would remove the other and they would win. So there's no chance for me to win this. So we can group these configurations into two categories. Let me draw a line here. First category, I'll name it forced win. This contains all those configurations where I have a specific strategy that Raj can employ to win. There's no possible way for the other person to win. And let's just call this category a forced win. And let me name this category as NF, negation of this. And here there's no possible way. I mean, if the other person is also acting rationally, there's no possible way for me to win. So this is the second category. Okay. So this is one. And another configuration would be this or any line. So if I land on this configuration, I can remove these and win. And let's say I have something like this. Then is there a chance that I would win or would the other person win? Suppose I get such a configuration. Suppose I play this, then the other person will play this and win. And similarly with this as well. But suppose I play this instead. Then you see that I'm left with these two, which is the same case as here. And the other person is forced to lose if I play this. And that's the reason this configuration is also in this category. So I'll mark it as this. So if I land on this, my strategy would be to play this token so that I land on this configuration and it won't be good for the other person because they would see this configuration and they would have to take one of these, making us win. So yeah, this comes under the F category. So let me define a way how I can claim a configuration to either belong to F or an F. So I can say a configuration is an F if there exists a move. A move could be taking tokens from a row or a column. If there exists a move in that configuration such that after the tokens have been removed, the new config is in NF. So for example, here there exists a specific move. If I play this, then I wouldn't win. But I have to play smart. If I play this token instead, then this configuration belongs to NF, and that would force the other person to lose. So yeah, a configuration belongs to F if there exists a move such that after removing the token, the new configuration is in NF. And with NF, I would define it as for all moves, the new config should be in F. What this means is no matter what move I perform on this configuration, the other person would win. The other person would have a strategy to win. That means that the configuration that I land on uh, is not good for me. So it belongs to NF. So here, if I take this move, the new configuration belongs to F. If I take this move, the new configuration belongs to F. So we can use these two rules and easily create configurations for each of these categories. Let's analyze another configuration. So does this belong to F or NF? Now before this, we should analyze just uh, okay. If I remove this, then it belongs to F. If I remove this, okay, we have to first analyze what uh, category this would be. If I remove this, then this would be in NF, and therefore this belongs to F because there exists a move where the new config is in NF. And I'll mark the move with this line. So if I have something like this where this is separated from this, then this would be my move and I have to take the configuration to NF and the other person is forced to lose. Here, let's analyze what happens. If I remove these two, that would create this configuration which belongs to NF, and therefore this configuration is NF. Let's see. What about this? So let's analyze if there's a way to remove tokens to for the new config to be in NF. If I remove this, then yeah, this new configuration is this which belongs to F. Similarly with this, if I remove this, yeah, this still belongs to F, and same case as this. If I remove both of these, then this belongs to F. Same thing with this. So because any move that I do on this configuration, the new configuration belongs to F. So that means that whoever gets this configuration has to lose. So I wouldn't want to get such a configuration because there's always a strategy for the other player to win once you remove any tokens. So we have two configurations which belong to NF and a few which belong to F, and we can populate these one by one. Let's analyze. Yeah, an easy way to create configurations in F is to just use these and then add extra circles to these in a row or column. So this belongs to F because if I remove this token, then this configuration will belong to NF. If I remove both of these, then that would be favorable to the other person because this belongs to F. So therefore, I only remove this token if I see such a configuration. And what about something like this? Let's analyze and see which category this belongs to. If I remove this, then this belongs to F. If I remove only this, then this belongs to F. Right? Yeah. If I remove this, belongs to F. If I remove this, it belongs to F. So this seems like it belongs to NF, but suppose I remove these two, then this belongs to NF, and therefore this comes under the F category. Let me draw some boxes. What about this configuration? Let me add another circle to the same configuration at the bottom, something like this. Does this belong to F or NF? If I get rid of these two, then this belongs to F, not NF. So I wouldn't do that. If I remove this, then this belongs to F and not NF, so I wouldn't do that. Basically, my strategy would be to play moves that create configurations in NF for the other person to play so that they lose. So I wouldn't do this. I wouldn't do this. I wouldn't do this because this belongs to F. Would I do this? I didn't analyze that, right? Yeah, I didn't analyze this. So before this, we should analyze this case, whether this belongs to F or NF. So yeah, if I remove this, it belongs to F. If I remove these two, it belongs to NF. Yeah, so this belongs to F because there exists a move where the new config belongs to NF. Now I can think about my other configuration. Okay, let's see this again. If I remove this, it belongs to F. If I remove this, it belongs to F. This belongs to F as well, this one. If I remove these three, it belongs to F. If I remove these two, this belongs to F. But what if I remove these two? So we already did have, okay. Now if I remove these two, then this belongs to F. But if I remove only this token, it seems like this belongs to NF because no matter what move you do, you find it in F. But there's one specific move that you can do, which is this. If you remove only this token, then this configuration belongs to NF. And so we would want to have such a configuration because there is a strategy for the after playing the strategy that this configuration belongs to NF. What about this? Because there's symmetry, we can just analyze. If I remove one of these, then this belongs to F. If I remove two of these, then this also belongs to F. So therefore, this configuration belongs to NF. So I wouldn't want to get such a configuration because there exists a strategy that the other person can make such that I'll be forced to lose. Let's come up with some other configurations. What if I have three separate circles? Then that would be favorable as well. If I remove this, then this configuration belongs to NF. Let me draw some other configurations. Okay. So if I remove this configuration is an F, similar to this, similar with this. If I remove this configuration is in NF. Yeah. So yeah, there exists a move such that my new configuration belongs to NF. So it would belong to F. I could have removed these two as well. So yeah, there are more than one strategy sometimes to play if you see a specific configuration. We can take this and modify it. So this belongs to F because there exists a move which takes the new config to NF. Yeah. So what about this? Let's analyze. If I do this belongs to F. If I do this belongs to F as well. This belongs to F as well. This belongs to NF. Yeah. So this whole configuration belongs to F. So does this belong to F or NF? Let's analyze. If I do this, then this belongs to F, same as this, similar to this. If I remove this, then this belongs to F, I mean NF. So therefore this belongs to F. If I play this, then this new configuration belongs to NF, and therefore this whole configuration belongs to F. So we can come up with multiple configurations and exhaust all configurations, and we have a strategy on top of each of these configurations. Let's analyze a few more. Has this been covered? Yes. Okay. Yeah, you can think about this. If I play this, it belongs to F. If I play this, it belongs to F. Yes. Similar to this. This belongs to F. If I play only this, yeah, we didn't analyze this case before. Yeah, so we should analyze this case before. If I remove this, it belongs to F. Right? Yeah. If I remove this, it belongs to F. If I remove these two, three separated, yes, it belongs to F. Belongs to F. So I have four separated dots. Four separated dots. Yeah, we should do that first. So here you can easily analyze that no matter what move you do, that the new configuration would always belong in F. So that means that this belongs in NF. So when you get such a configuration, you would never win. And this happens with any even number of separated tokens. Okay, so if I remove this, this belongs to NF, and therefore this whole configuration belongs to F. Now let's get back to analyzing this. So if I remove this, it belongs to F. What about this? Yeah, this also belongs to F. This belongs to F. Did we analyze this? Yes. Uh, did we analyze this? No, I don't think so. Yeah, so we have to analyze this as well. So this is a recursive approach to decide whether a configuration belongs to F or NF, and in the process, we uncover the strategies. So yeah, does this belong to F or NF? This belongs to F. This belongs to F. This belongs to F. This belongs to F. Yeah, this belongs to NF, and therefore this whole configuration belongs to F. Because after I remove this token, this new configuration belongs to NF. So now let's get back to analyzing this. So yeah, if I play this new configuration belongs to F. So I think this belongs to NF. Let's see. This belongs to F. Uh, this belongs to F. This belongs to F. This belongs to F. This belongs to F. Um, yeah, this belongs to F as well. This belongs to F. This belongs to F. So no matter what I play on this, yeah, this also belongs to us. 3 and 1. Do I have that? 3 connected dots and 1 separated dot. No, I don't. So we should analyze this. 3 connected tokens in 1 separate. So if we play this, then this new configuration belongs to NF, and therefore this whole configuration belongs to F. So even after playing this move, this new configuration belongs to F. So what does that mean? That means that this belongs to NF. Because no matter what you do on this, the new configuration belongs to F. It satisfies this. Yeah, we can keep doing this until we reach all configurations, and given a config, and for every configuration, it will either belong to the F category or the NF category. And here you can see all the strategies that you can take when you land on a specific configuration.